It's insanely hot, but there's no way I could ever go without a great ragu. And today I'm going to show you the summer ragu. Tasty, easy to make, and above all, absolutely delicious. The first thing to do is to prepare a soffritto with carrots, celery, and onion. But if you don't have time or don't feel like it, you can easily buy it already prepared. And the celery is ready too. The sauteed vegetables are ready, we'll set them aside. In the meantime, let's focus on the eggplants. Like this. Once we've cut the eggplants, we put them in a food processor or a blender, basically a blender. Let's chop them up. And here they are, as you can see, the eggplants. Thank you. They're chopped but not mushy. They should be like this. In a saucepan, let's add a drizzle of oil. Let's add our soffritto and let them brown gently. Once the sauteed vegetables have softened, let's add the chopped eggplant. And let's let them saute as well. After a few minutes, once the eggplants are browned, as you can see, I add a bit of white wine. However, this is optional. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, you don't have to. I add a little bit. It's cooked off. Once the alcohol has evaporated, I add a spoonful of tomato paste. If you have it available, that's good, otherwise it's okay. But if you have it, add it because it will make the ragu richer. And let's mix. After that, I add a rustic tomato puree. See how nice and thick it is? Let's stir. It smells good. Let's add a little water. Here you go. A few basil leaves. A little bit of salt. Let's set it to medium-low heat. Let's cover it and cook until done. And here it is, after 40 minutes of cooking, the ragu is ready. How delicious. Look. And here it is, our ragu is ready. You see how beautiful and rich it is. How delicious. With this delicious ragu, we can use it with any type of pasta we like best. From fettuccine to lasagna, rigatoni, penne, basically whatever we prefer. And with this delicious ragu, I toss some excellent rigatoni with it. What a wonderful smell. A handful of Parmesan cheese. A pinch of pepper. And to finish, a hint of basil, which you should never leave out. Now all that's left is to taste it. Dearest friends, what can I say? You just have to try it. It's a perfect ragu for any occasion. And with that, I say goodbye and send a big hug to all of you.